What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it, stop that!
Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific.
Donald, we got ourselves a flat tire. Get out and check your side.
Mine's okay. How's yours?
Fine, sir.
Hungry, Diane?
God's sakes, Michael, just take me home.
What's going on here? Let's take a comment on about this.
By heart.
Cadet Mahoney, report immediately to the Commandant's office. Cadet Mahoney.
Okay, Mahoney, get going. On the double, move it, move it, move it.
Bring!